Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do some chicken spiedini on the grill. Now if you don't have the regular grill fornacella, you could use a gas grill, no problem, and we'll show you today with the chicken spiedini. So what you want to do is the same thing, you get your grill nice and hot. Okay, we have our chicken spiedini right over here. We're going to show you a little different method, which is just as easy as the other way. Foil over the skewers so they don't burn. These are our chicken spiedini, as you can see. Okay, and then with the chicken spiedini, the only thing that's going to change from the arrosticini is with the chicken spiedini, we have a mix right here, which is easy. Salt, rosemary, oregano, and garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper. That's all mixed together over here, right? And then we're just going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to that mix, right? So we're going to mix some oil over here, nice mixture, and we'll get back to this a little later, showing you what we're going to do with it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we open up the grill. Okay, a little olive oil, like the same as last time. A little olive oil, and we're going to clean these grates with some olive oil. This way the skewers won't stick. The grill's nice and hot, getting ready. Okay, now the grill is ready, and we'll put the skewers on. Just like this, put them on the grill. You can close it up and let it cook for a few minutes. It's going to cook for about 2 minutes, then we're going to salt it, turn it, salt it. When it's just about finished, we're going to add that rosemary mixture, brush it on for about 30 seconds. It'll cook on the grill, and then they're all finished. All right, so the spiedini have been cooking for about a minute and a half on the grill. What we're going to do is we're going to salt them. Now I'll do a light salt over here because there is salt in the rosemary oil mixture. Okay, and we're going to turn them. Watch out because it could be a little hot. All right, just like that. Beautiful. And then we're going to salt this side as well. So this is going to get salted just a little bit. Beautiful. Okay, we'll leave that for about another minute or two, then we'll check back in on it and add our rosemary oil. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. Our spiedini are now cooked through. They're pretty much done. They're salted. So what we're going to do to finish them off is, once again, going back to our extra virgin olive oil mixture with dried rosemary, garlic, salt, pepper, and a little bit of oregano. Now, what we do is just give it a little brush, mix it in. It's going to flare up a little bit, so we just move them around. Once again, this is just for finishing. So, go like this, flip them, get them mixed in, get them mixed in. You take the foil off now, it comes off easily. All right, this is just the final, like, 30 seconds, just warming up that oil, that rosemary on those skewers, give it that extra little flavor. And that's it, they are done. So we'll transfer them to the plate. And here you go, you have your chicken spiedini, which have a nice, beautiful extra virgin olive oil, rosemary marinade, as you can see. It's delicious. Salt is perfect. Rosemary comes through. Excuse me, because delicious. Wow. Now remember, the chicken spiedini, rosemary oil is a must. That's what we suggest. You could use your own marinade if you'd like, but this is what we prefer to use. It's easy, quick, simple. Just throw them right on the grill, throw the oil with that in. And for our arrosticini, that, like our other video states, sea salt, nothing more, just sea salt. All right, enjoy, thank you so much, and I hope this helped. Ciao.